Okay, Kendall. So we found the center of this piece of wood, right? Now we need to find what the center of this cutter is. This is called a hole saw. Okay, so from here to there is 4.5. So how would you find the center of 4.5?
You divide it by 2.
4.5 divided by 2. Can you do that? Equals. So what's half of 4?
2.
So 2. What's half of 0.5? 1/4. So 0.4. I'm sorry, 0.25. Because 25, 25, 25, and 25 equals 100.
Yes.
So 100 equals a whole. So 2.25 is the center of that hole saw cutter. What we need to do, if this is 4.5, we need to know how many wheels we can get out of this one piece of wood. Okay? So we figured out that from the center to the side is what?
2.
Go look, you can look.
It was 2.25.
2.25, which is also 2 1/4. So I'm going to go like this, and I'm going to say, okay, I'm going to put our first wheel. If this is 2, that's 2 1/4. If we do it right there, the edge of this is going to be right on the edge of that, which is not going to work very good. Okay, so we're going to call it 2 3/4. Okay, so this is where it is. So that means the wheel is now going to end. Let's see, 1, 2 1/4. The end of the wheel is going to be right there. Okay, and then the other side of the wheel is going to be right there.
Okay, now, if you want to get a little bit of space, we're going to say 1/2 inch space. Okay, so this is going to be wheel, and this is going to be wheel. Okay, and then we're going to go 2 1/4 again, 2 1/4, and then 2 1/4 again. Right? So here is another wheel. Okay, and then we're going to get another 1/2 inch space. Then 1/2 inch space, so here's another wheel. Right, and then we're going to go 2 1/4, 2 1/4. Right, and then we're going to measure that, so we're going to say we got 1, 2 1/4 right there. So look, how many wheels can we get out of this one piece of wood? No, so this is a wheel, and this is a wheel, and this is a wheel. Oh, no, you only have 3 wheels on one piece of wood. So we see what happens if we cut one out? Okay, find your safety goggles, glasses, and some gloves.
Okay, so this thing has a little, see the drill bit right in the center? Has a drill bit right in the center, so you put that drill bit right here, and you go slow. Or that happens. So you gotta go. I know. So one wheel. We're gonna do 4 more. Yeah. We got to get your wagon in proportion. So if the front of this wheel, so I'm looking at the front of the wheel to the front of the thing, right? And so this back wheel, we got to put it where you want it. Stand that back up. Put it in line where it goes. Okay, so if that wheel's there, where do you want this wheel? So like right there?
Yeah.
You know, mark the bottom piece of wood. The bottom piece of wood at the back of the tire. Yep, just like that. Okay? Now, we need a square. So Kendall, this is a square. Why is it a square?
Because it has a right angle.
Because it has a right angle, but it's actually a triangle shape. But the name of the tool is
The
a
right triangle.
is a right triangle. But the name of the tool is what?
Square.
A square. All right. Okay. Now, come back over on this side. So if we line up, we put this square along the edge of the wood and line it up with your mark there. Then you make a mark across the front. That's good. Okay, now we're going to mark this one the same place. Okay, can you mark that one right there? No, right on the same line. Okay. So we're going to.
Mark it.
across the top. Okay, now we're going to get the saw out. So what we do, pull this down. Yep, okay. So now there's one. Now you're going to cut this one. So come stand right here. Okay, get it lined up. Don't pull the trigger, but pull that down. But don't pull the trigger. So look, your fingers could be near the trigger, so scoot your hand over there. Okay, so come down and push it up against the back here. Hold on, don't pull the trigger yet. Okay, now pull it up. Now pull the trigger. Okay.
One, I'll do one more. So don't pull the trigger, pull it down. Again, line it up. Right about there. Whoops. No, you gotta get right on. Come down to it. Okay, right. Okay, lift it up a little bit, now pull the trigger.
There. Now we have 3 pieces for our wagon. So what I want to do is I want to mark where to put the staples, right? So that's how thick this piece of wood is, right? So we're going to do it again over here. Okay. This is the bottom. So now I'm going to take this and I want this old side out and this old side up. So if it's going to go like this, I want it to look like that. Right? So now we're going to put this right here and use this one for right now just as a temporary spacer. Okay, so we're going to line up all this stuff. I'm going to put two nails in it, and then you can do it. So now see, look, my leg was here, but I'm going to get my leg out of the way just in case something funky happens. Okay, so there's 1, 2. So now, see, now it's part of it.
That's cool.
Okay, I'm going to have you do quite a few more. So make sure the camera can see it. So come stand right here. Okay, so put it in that line. Put it right about there. Hold on. Okay, now pull the trigger. Okay. Okay, now you got to figure out where that piece goes so it looks on the outside like it's supposed to. I like this side out, but now I like this side on the bottom. How are you going to do that? Let's do this. Camera can't see what's going on. Hey, I think you figured it out. Okay, yep. Now you got to flip the whole thing over so we can staple it. Just set this one right here, and put that on top. Okay. Those gloves way too big, aren't they?
Yeah.
So you want to staple the first one? Do you want me to?
You can.
Okay, so we're gonna go 1, 2. Your turn.
Okay.
Let me see. Okay, now pull the trigger. Okay. How does that look so far as a wagon? Okay, so now we want to put a piece across the back, right? Should we put it inside or on the back? Like, I think we should put it on the inside. Okay, so now we need to make a mark. So you're going to make a mark right here on the inside.
Yep, that'll work. Okay. Now we'll put our square. Make another mark. All the way across. Part of the big old glow on. Okay. Now we're going to get our saw again. Okay, and cut. Now does this fit? Inside there? Oh, baby. Okay, so that's the back of your wagon. So let's flip this over.
it is a sturdy little box. Now we need one more for this end, right?
We need a seat.
Well, we're gonna do an end, and then somehow we're gonna do a seat.
Okay.
Or do you think this might be a good idea? Do you think the back of the wagon should be back in here, and then that's what we're gonna do.
Okay.
Make a little seat. Boom, boom.
Wait, fine.
So we need to make another one of these though.
Sharpie. You take the glove off, you can. Give me a mark. Other side, over here. Okay. Wait, you need it again. Square it up so the camera can see it. Okay. So now this is going to go back in. Oh, that's a little too small. You know what I did? I cut on the wrong side of the line. That's about the thickness of a saw blade. So let's use this for the back seat, back of the seat, or something. Okay. So what I want to do now, make another one of these at the right. Wait, what's it at the end? You're a little bit longer. Where's your Sharpie? Let me go. That one right there. So now this will fit in there. Too long. Wait. Okay. Now,
Now, see, I want to take this seat and I want to make it angled a little bit. And then do we make a bottom and a back? I think we do, huh?
And wagons, they sit really high.
Yep, they do. So that'll go there and that'll go there. But I need to angle cut. Okay, so we're making a seat. I took this piece and I cut a 15-degree angle on the back, so it now has a little bit of a seat angle. So we'll staple this dude together. Okay, so now
Oh, I saw it go in. That was cool.
is it cool?
That's windy. I think that's good.
Trying to keep my fingers from if it goes through all the way.
Oh, that scared me.
Look at that. We got a little seat.
It scares me.
It scares you? So now
No, just the moment it out.
we're gonna take it and put it right here. Okay, here, Kendall, you pull the trigger when I tell you. Okay, go ahead. One more time right there. Show that to the camera. That's our wagon so far. So now, Kendall, come stand right here.
Okay.
Can we see you?
Yes.
Are your earmuffs comfortable?
Yes.
Okay, all right. So now we're going to try to make some wheel hubs. Oh!
Okay.
You hear it ringing? Okay, so let's see if we can do this again without breaking anything.